Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tiramisu birthday cake. First, gather your ingredients including 6 large eggs, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Begin by preparing a delicate sponge cake. Beat the eggs and sugar until light and fluffy, then gently fold in the flour. Bake in a 9-inch round pan until golden brown, about 25 to 30 minutes. Let it cool completely. Next, brew about 2 cups of strong espresso or coffee. Let it cool to room temperature. For the luscious mascarpone cream, whisk together 5 egg yolks with 1/2 cup of sugar over a double boiler until thickened. Remove from heat, then beat in 1 pound of mascarpone cheese until smooth. In a separate bowl, whip 3 egg whites to stiff peaks and gently fold them into the mascarpone mixture. This creates a light, airy texture. Now for the assembly. Carefully slice your cooled sponge cake horizontally into 2 or 3 even layers. Place the first layer on your serving plate. Generously brush it with the cooled coffee syrup, ensuring it's well moistened but not soggy. Spread about 1/3 of the mascarpone cream over this layer. Repeat with the remaining cake layers and cream. Finish by dusting the top with a generous amount of unsweetened cocoa powder. Once assembled, cover your tiramisu cake and refrigerate it for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the cake to set properly. Before serving, you can add a final touch with chocolate shavings, fresh raspberries, or a light dusting of powdered sugar. It's truly a delightful dessert for any celebration. Don't forget to check the description for the link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.